Today is day 110 of the house building project, and we are going to see how much it costs to dump all of these drywall scraps in the dump and how much will it weigh. Let's find out. Stay tuned. Things more interesting, we're going to use a 6-foot bed Toyota Tacoma to do this, and we're going to see how many trips it takes to get this pile onto this and then to the dump. This is going to be super exciting. And if you're new to this channel, if you want to follow along while I build this house, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and you might learn a thing or two along the way. All right, got the first load on. Tacoma squatting a little bit. Actually, I might start calling this thing Old Blue. Old because it's an 06, blue because it's blue. All right, knocked a little dent in it with the first load, and let's go see how much it weighs and how much it's going to cost me. Be sure to like this video if you're getting any value out of it. So I'm getting ready to pull up to the transfer station here now to dump this drywall. So how this is going to work, I'm going to pull up to a window. They're going to give me a tag, and it's going to correlate with my truck, and they're going to weigh my truck, and then they're going to weigh it again on the way out. So that way they know how much weight of trash I dumped and how much they're going to charge me, because it's per pound. So let me grab this tag. Hello. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
All right, the lovely lady handed me a tag. They look like this. Then I'm going to hand it back to her on the way out, and then she's going to give me a bill. How exciting. This is what it looks like at a landfill, at least where I'm at. We're just going to drop all of our trash over in this big heaping pile of trash. Then I take it that they fill it up in a hole somewhere and bury it at some point. So here we are. So if you're going to haul trash to the dump, make sure you strap it down good, because whatever is on your vehicle is your responsibility going down the road. So you don't want anything flying off and smashing a car and you getting in trouble, do you? All right, just got all that unloaded. It took a fraction of the time to unload it than it did to load it. So now I'm going to go down and pay for it. I'm hoping I can keep a tab open since I have more loads coming, so I don't have to write a check each time. So we'll see what happens. Hello.
Hi.
Hey. And I got more loads coming. Can I just keep a tab open for...
Not unless you sign a check and leave it with me.
Oh, okay, let me do that. Looks like that load was 880 pounds, and it came to a total of $36.45. So that was the first load, and she held my check so that way I can keep bringing loads and we just keep the tab open. I noticed my blinker's doing this fast blinking stuff. I'm pretty sure one of my bulbs are out, so I'm going to check it out once I get up here. Looks like I found the problem. I must have hit a piece of drywall against the side of the truck and knocked the gosh darn blinker out. Sure, that's what it was, unless the bulb went bad and fell out, which is possible. So let's see. Yep, that's all it was. I like a nice easy fix. To do this stuff, guys, you gotta be a carpenter, you gotta be a mechanic, you gotta be a business person. It's like you need to be all these things to do something so simple. It's crazy. We got load 2 on. Pile's getting a little smaller. This is like investing, man. A little bit at a time really adds up. Truck squatting a little bit, but really I don't think it's much weight on that Tacoma. Now to get my new number. Thank you so much. All right, guys, looks like my number's 994. It may be the same ticket as last time. I don't know what it was last time. Packed earlier, and it doesn't look like it's any less packed than it was, man. I don't know, it's because of the holidays. Everyone's playing catch up or what. So let's see how long this will take to get out of line. This is way busier than normal, and usually when I come up here, the trash is about maybe a little out from the door at the most I've ever seen. I have not seen it clear out this far before, so I guess everyone's playing catch up for the holidays, I guess. I don't know, but I am still waiting. All right, let's see what the damage was this time. All right, that one was 820 pounds, and it cost $33.97. So we'll add that to the tab. All right, I'm stopping down here at Sheets and getting me a little grub. I usually don't eat anywhere out when I'm working on the house, but in this case, I have been to the dump and don't want to go in the house and take my shoes off and all that BS. So I'm going to just grab a little quick snack here and keep on laboring. Hey guys, if you're a Sheets fan, I want you to put fan in the comments. Just a quick Sheets tip. If you get the meatball sub, it is the best deal. It's only $4 for a 12-inch. And if you get the $1 bottle of water, makes it feel good because it says Sheets for the kids. So not only do I feel good, but I save money. This may not be a surprise to you guys, but I am a Trump supporter. So I'm going to vote Trump 2020. And the main reason is because this economy is booming, baby. And we want to keep it booming. And we want to keep making money while we can, man. So Trump's doing that for us. So if you support Trump, I want you to put Trump 2020 in the comments below as well. I want to see Trump in the White House for 4 more years. All right, we got the third load on and it looks like we're squatting a little more. I'm thinking this is probably the biggest load because I only had a few sheets to go and I didn't want to haul a whole other load just for a few sheets. So you can see I kind of spilled over the edge here. So got it strapped down pretty good. I don't think it's going anywhere, but I'm gonna get this hauled and I'm gonna come back and I'm just gonna haul the rest of this stuff up to my house I live in because the trash comes around once a week. So I'm just gonna cut the stuff up and put it along the road. Save a couple dollars and I'm already paying for trash pickup anyway. So the prices I'm getting here in my state's gonna be different in your state. I think like in Virginia, I think it's free to go to the dump from what I understand. So the state I'm in, you know, doesn't have free dumping, so we actually got to pay for it. We got to pay for trash pickup and everything. So these are prices here in my state. So I'm getting ready to pull up here and get my last ticket because I am not coming back here today. Let's see what number we get this time. All right, looks like we got 997 written with a marker. That's how awesome it is here. Oh man, let's see how busy it is now. Hopefully it's calmed down now since it's after lunch. A lot of people like getting their trash hauled in the morning, it seems like. So, yes, I do not see a line. Looks like they pushed the trash back a little more. I think I am in luck. I should be able just to pull up, push it off my truck, and I should be out here in no time. Let's see how it goes. Is that a pile of junk or what? I mean, look at that. That's probably everybody's holiday junk. Exciting stuff. All right, let's get off this pile of trash and let's go pay for this stuff and see how much it costs. Okay, the lady there was nice enough to go ahead and put the price total for everything. So it looked like the total to dump is $106.87. The total poundage was 2,580 pounds. And I just wanted to throw in there, you probably have a little bit in gas, let's just say up to $10 at most probably. So let's just say $116 by the time it's said and done as an expense. And that took me about, it started around 8:30. So about 5 hours or so to do that. So that wasn't too hateful. All right, looks way better than it did. Got everything cleaned up. Put the remainder here on the truck. I'm going to store that in my garage at my house. Just set it out beside the curb when it goes this week. So if you stayed this long in the video, it probably means you enjoyed it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below and hit the little bell notification so you get alerts each time I upload a video. And don't forget to hit the like button too. That really helps out the channel. Okay, that was it for day 110. I'm just going to finish up cleaning up the garage so get ready for concrete. So I will see you again on day 111, and thanks for watching.